Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the slide dimensions to your final output, for example 1920 by 1080 pixels, so everything scales correctly. Once done, import reference images and lock them on a hidden layer. This keeps composition consistent. Make sure to enable the grid and guides and set them to 1/4" or 20px so alignment is precise. Now start with a basic layout. Place a focal element, add margins, and keep typography decisions deferred until you see balance. You now construct the visual system. Use shapes and Boolean operations to make crisp custom vectors. Combine, subtract, intersect. This creates scalable graphics. Then apply gradients, 50% transparency, and a subtle 3-point shadow to add depth, but avoid heavy effects that reduce legibility. Make sure to group related elements and name them in the selection pane. Once grouped, use Format Painter to transfer styles quickly. As you iterate, step back and check proportions at 100% and at smaller sizes. You finish by preparing exports. Choose PNG for raster, SVG for vectors, or PDF for print, and set resolution to 300 dpi when needed. Once exported, verify colors on a calibrated monitor or a quick print sample to confirm contrast and saturation. If alignment or artifacts appear, simplify by flattening overly complex shadows, reduce grouped effects, and re-export. This often fixes rendering bugs. Finally, keep an editable source file with named layers so you can return and tweak without rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.